Alright guys, so I just got back from the Apple store. Let me take this mask off. And I picked up all of the iPhone 12 colors. I want to be different. I want to be the first YouTuber to unbox all of the colors. The first one. I know my boy Nicholas is going to get all of them. So, as you guys can see. Oh, the iPhone 12 Pro, I'm going to do that in a separate video. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here with notifications on so you guys don't miss it. But in this video, I'm going to be focusing on the iPhone 12. So let's line them all up. Oh, and I also picked up the MagSafe. More on that in a little bit. But here, all of the iPhone 12 colors right here in my possession. And yeah, let's unbox these for the first time. All right, so let me start off with let's start off with the boring colors first. I mean, no offense, whoever love black or white, but I'm gonna start off with the black one, and then we're gonna work our way up to the other colors. You know, new design, 5G, A14 chip, better cameras. Let's take this out. Okay, follow that. Let's take it out, and there it is. So this is the black one. All right, iPhone 12. All right, you have a new sheet, so it's showing you the volume up and down button, the silent button, and the power button. Rah. This feels really nice, a little bit more premium than last year, just because of that boxy design. Just remind me of that iPhone 4. But yeah, the accessories inside the box, you have your Type-C to Lightning, okay, and you have your Apple stickers and your SIM ejection tool. You have one Apple sticker this year. For the most part, it's standard stuff, no power adapter, and the boxes are really small. I would get my old iPhone box, but I want to get this video as fast as it can. All right, take a look at the white. Okay, you guys can see these wallpapers and all the wallpapers here. Really nice. All the colors. All right, so the black one unboxed. Let's take a look at the white one. And also, if you guys want to win an iPhone 12, I am planning on doing a giveaway. But this video has to go big, yo. Because as you guys can tell, these iPhones are very expensive. And the fact how I got all of them, yeah. Ooh, this white one is beautiful. All right, let's peel off the plastic here. Yeah, this white one, it's like a cream beige on the side, but you have white on the back. Damn, this kind of surprised me. Like, this looks really nice. I thought this would be like all white, but yeah, it's actually a pretty clean color. Okay, you have your usuals inside the box. Next, I'm gonna let's unbox the Minty Green one. Trying to speed through this video, and then I'm gonna show you guys all of the colors. Yeah, this green one here, this is clean. Now this year it's a little light on the colors, but this green one here is pretty sick, I must say. I mean, it's not too bad, but yeah, that's the green one. Let's open up the red one. And by the way, all of these iPhone 12s are 64 gigabytes. I didn't go too crazy. Whoa, this red one here, red looks different this year. Do I have my iPhone SE? Hold on for a second. All right, so here's my red iPhone SE. And yeah, the red is different this time around because it's like a more hot red. It has like a hue of pink. I'm not sure if you guys will be a fan of that, but as you guys can see, this is more red. This is a little bit more of a muted red. I don't know, but hey, that's the red iPhone 12. And last but not least, we have the blue. Okay, the blue iPhone 12. Okay, ooh, this one looks beautiful. You guys know blue is my favorite color. Absolutely love blue. You guys know. And listen, you know, it's all love, Nicholas, but it's a competition. I want to get my video fast. All right, anyway, these are all the colors. As you guys can see, you have the black, white, mint, or green. You have the red, which it looks pink, kinda. And you have this blue. Honestly, my favorite color, I would have to say the blue. My second favorite color, I would have to say the green. I like the green, and then I like the red, and then the white. The white kind of surprised me, and the black one. I mean, the black is clean too, but out of all these colors, is definitely my least favorite of them all. But yeah, that is all the iPhone 12 colors. And here's a little close-up. I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro Max to showcase these colors. The speaker grills, all of them right here as we speak. And the setup is exactly the same. If you brought an iPhone, you guys know what to expect. Okay, and here's the white. Nice and clean. The white one definitely did throw me off. So clean on the side. Then here's the green, the minty green. The green is actually pretty clean, I must say. And here's a black. This feels like it's a good size. This is like a perfect size, I feel like, because it's smaller, but it's also not too small. But for the most part, I'm the first person at that Apple store to pick up all of the colors, so I'm definitely thrilled by that. You know what I mean? Like and like I said, I'll do a giveaway, but the video has to do well. You get what I'm saying? It has to get a lot of views. It has to get a lot of likes. We got to push this video to the search engines because, and as always, as every iPhone, I like to start it up as a new iPhone. I don't like carrying over my old stuff. And yeah, this is the home screen. Just as you know and love, the iPhone. We're running iOS 14. Yeah, and it feels so good in the hands. Like, it feels different. And of course, it is different. But that glass back, it feels like a throwback. Exactly like a throwback. Yeah, so stay tuned for the camera test, and for the most part that concludes today's video. I just wanted to just show you guys all of the iPhone colors real fast, real quick. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on, because I am going to be unboxing the 12 Pro right after this. Literally right after this. And yeah, peace out. Cut.